The reason I made this video to check stability of various drains was I recently bought one of these, again dirt cheap, F330. It's a small brother of the 450, but what I noticed as I put the old motors on it is just how incredibly rigid the frame is. Look at this for flex or non-flex, and compare that with a Bugs3, the Bugs with the big red motors on it, and look how easy it is to flex it. So I think it possibly means that putting bigger motors on a Bugs3 is probably not a good idea. I've got this fairly stable, but it took a lot of work and different props to find it. So a comparison of the size, that's the 450 frame, and here's the 330. So quite a bit smaller, and I'll compare the 330 with the Bugs frame. So they're almost the same size. In fact, the 330 is just a little bit bigger. Not by much though. So it'll be a bit heavier, haven't bothered the weight yet, but it'll certainly be a lot more stable. Had it upside down there. So sitting on top of each other you get an idea of the difference in size. So I'll go ahead and kit this up with a flight control board and some decent BHEL ESCs, and I'll see how it goes. Attachment to the fiberglass plates seems to be very strong.